Hi, so I was hiding from my responsibilities for the past hour. I just finished filming a video. This is not a proper intro, but today we are cleaning my room. Sunday, I just finished filming a video and I thought I'd film another one because I really do need to clean my room, and I feel like I should take the opportunity while my room is like this messy to do a cleaning video because we just have to be clean. This is another step of 2019. We just have to be organized. So I'm gonna clean my room, doing some laundry, doing all that, and we're gonna do it vlog style, maybe like, I don't know what style we're doing this in, but see, my room looks relatively okay from this angle. Okay, let's get up here. So we have clothing rack over here. This corner is okay because I was filming, but we have my filming set up. Then we have that mess back there. We have some coats near my door so I can't even get out. No one can walk in. We have a ton of clothes on my bed, laundry to do. Like, that's all laundry because I had it in this corner and then I needed to film, so I moved it over there. And then I have cups, coffee from today, water cup. I think I have like Christmas decor still up. And then a ton of things on my tables over there. And then okay, we can't even see the other side of my bed. Boxes of things, bags of things, my room. The first step is to move these out of the way so then I could do my laundry. And while it washes, we clean the rest of my room. So let's get to it. Guys, so an update. It is now 5:54. I honestly don't know when I started, but we have a lot of progress. I'm surprised that I did this much already. So this is what my room looks like from this corner once again. All my laundry and stuff, like half of it's in the washer right now, so those are my darks that I'm gonna put in like right after I film this. But I also just made my bed because there's some stuff that was on it, but like I didn't need that to be on my bed, so I put them onto the side so we can reorganize. But my bed is made. The top right here is cleared of all my cups, and that side of all my drawers are cleaned. This corner Not sure what I'm gonna be doing here yet, but I have to clean up this mess and then I have to clean on top of this as well. So that's what we're doing, and then when I finish cleaning everything, that's when I'll be vacuuming. So my floor is quite dusty at the moment from like cleaning everything off. Anyway, I'm gonna go do my laundry real quick and I'll be back with some stuff I have to hang up. So yep, that's the update. Okay, and now I'll be cleaning up my makeup. I actually have to bring all my things that I used today from the bathroom because I did my makeup in the bathroom today. So I'm gonna bring them here and then we're gonna reorganize and put them in the drawers that I use for my makeup. All right, so the way I'm gonna do this is I'm just gonna put everything that I'm not organizing over here on this tray, and then I'll move it to my other makeup drawers. All right, let's get to it.
It ain't nothing too special. Drunk to the bone when I met you. I don't give a fuck who the next dude. I don't really see no issues with it. Just one of those nights when you want my back. I don't want no love, you can have that back. I just want that peace of mind, throw it back one time. Up on me like that, I be out my mind. Yeah, no love, no love, no love in the bar.
I don't know why I haven't changed into sweats yet, but it's been a week since my last update in this video and my room is messier. I'm gonna continue cleaning because I still haven't done the laundry I did last week. We have more laundry, but since it was so cold this past week, our pipes are frozen, so I'm just gonna be folding everything up from last week, and my drawer shelvings places are pretty clean. The only thing that's on here right now is some Starbucks makeup wipe and a wrapper for granola bar, so I gotta just throw those away. But my room is just, it's like, it's messy, but it's fixable. So we're gonna clean up. For today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was just like a quick, I don't know if this video was quick actually, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I think the next part of this video, I don't know when or how long I'm gonna take to do it, but I'll be reorganizing and like cleaning out clothes and things like that, so maybe in the springtime, watch out for that. So yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my other social medias so you guys can be updated on when I upload a new video. And yeah, and until next time, I will see you guys then. Bye, beauties!
alright, blame it on me. I don't get this right, but you my type. Sunshine, shining so bright. Baby, you a stalker.
Got a little crush on you.